Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 6th generation Nissan Altima and I will show you the location of the fuse boxes. This video should apply to Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the first fuse box will be just under the steering wheel, behind this cover right here. Now to remove the cover, you just have to pop it out. Best tool to use would be like a small flat screwdriver or a key or anything similar. So just want to get in here and pry it down. Okay, just like that. On the back side you will have small fuse diagram, and this black piece right here, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Second fuse box is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. Now to remove this cover you have a couple of clips, one here, then you have two here, one here, and one actually holder here. So what you want to do, you want to press onto these clips and gently lift up. You'll have to release all of these sides to be able to remove the cover. Okay, see, and this is like a holder on this side, and all of the others are just clips. On the back side of the fuse box you again have a small fuse diagram, and here you have the access to all of the fuses. Okay, and the third fuse box is gonna be right here. Now to remove these 4 clips, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. Now these ones you just want to push away from the box like this and lift up, okay? Lift the box up. We'll do this on all 4. It's a bit hard to do it with one hand. Okay, I got it, I think. And all of the fuses will actually be on the opposite side, okay? And that's it. These are all of the fuse boxes on this vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.